Buongiorno, ciao, hello. From Italy. I am touring right now and I ran into this Imperial stovetop. Didn't know how to use it. I found one video on YouTube that was pretty helpful. It got me almost all the way through, but mine was a little bit different. So I'm making this video to help any other travelers out there that maybe ran into the stovetop for the first time and didn't know how to use it. So, here we go. Alright, this is what my stovetop looks like, and it's actually pretty great once you know how to use it. So to turn it on, you're going to push this button here, and then each of these is associated with the burner. Now, this is how you select which burner, this is how you select the temperature, but one thing that made mine different from the other video I saw is this will automatically turn off unless you have a pot or pan on the actual burner. So in order for it to actually start heating up, you have to put something on top. It senses that there is something there and it will start heating up. Now keep in mind a couple things. I'm going to turn this off because this sort of stovetop gets hotter, a lot faster than an electric or gas stovetop. So keep that in mind. In the United States, when I'm using a stovetop, a lot of times I turn it on and I wait, prior to me being ready to cook something because it takes a while to heat up or to get to boiling. That is not the case here. Don't put a pot or pan on the actual stovetop until you're ready to cook something because it's super fast. It's going to heat up right away. Also keep that in mind when adjusting the temperature. So if you go from a 3 to a 4, it could be a difference from slow cooking to boiling or burning. Now, even though it waits until it senses something on the stovetop to turn on, one thing that I learned the hard way is when you take it off, it does indicate that it's turning off the burner. But then I made the mistake of putting it back onto the stovetop burner and it turned back on and started burning what was left in the pan. So remember, turn it off by clicking the button when you're finished with the stovetops, and it will indicate H to say that they're still hot. One other trick here is that you can actually lock it. So we'll use this one for an example. So if I turn it on and I select this burner on a low heat, oops, just for an example, you can actually lock it and put on a timer for how long you want this burner to be on. Pretty cool. Alright, well, I hope that helps you. Good luck with cooking your meal, and yeah, I'll link the video below that I found that was helpful for the first time I watched it, in case yours is more similar to his. Ciao!